On top of this edition of news, getting you the latest updates from Raigad. 2 people have lost their lives due to the building collapse that took place yesterday. 25 people at least are feared trapped still as NDRF rescue operations continue. This happened last evening, the building collapse in Raigad, due to which 2 people have already lost their lives. In fact, Home Minister Amit Shah also described the incident yesterday as tragic in a tweet and said that he's spoken to SN Pradhan as well, the Chief of Disaster Response Force, to provide all possible assistance. And as we speak, rescue operations still underway as several still feared trapped as far as this building collapse tragedy in Maharashtra's Raigad district is concerned. Several, though, have been rescued as well by the NDRF teams. At least 12 teams of the fire brigade are also at the spot, along with 3 teams of the National Disaster Response Force. We are looking at a 5-story building collapse. This was about 10-year-old building which had at least 40 plus flats. The building collapse has led to the loss of 2 lives so far. Shanta Shri, my colleague who is tracking that story closely for us, joining us from Ground Zero. In fact, she has filed several ground reports earlier on as well. Before we take in a live report, let's quickly play out what she's been tracking since the morning.
It seems that people are becoming homeless within minutes when it comes to shoddy work of certain builders and constant fear of structural stability becoming really weak and turning into debris, just as we can see over here, where in Mahar, Raigad, a building with a ground floor and 4-story above completely crumbled down, and there are so many people who are stuck inside, and they are waiting that NDRF along with local administration will try and rescue them. It is feared that more than 18 people are still trapped inside, while many of them have been rescued and they have been shifted to the local hospital over here. We are being joined over here by one such person whose own family members are stuck inside. आपका कौन-कौन फंसा है अंदर?
मेरी साली जिसका नाम नौशीन है, उसके 3 बच्चे हैं, जिसमें एक 5 साल के 6-7 साल के बच्चे हैं, एक 4 साल का लड़का है और 2 साल की लड़की है। ऐसे टोटल 4 लोग फंसे हुए हैं। और वैसे फैमिली हमसे एक साथ रहते थे। मेरी फैमिली अभी लॉकडाउन की वजह से घर पर लेकर गया था फिर मंडनगढ़ में। ये फैमिली वैसी की है, बानकोट वैसी, तालुका मंडनगढ़, जिला रत्नागिरी की है। अभी फिलहाल वो इधर रहते थे।
कौन से फ्लोर में थे ये लोग?
ये फ्लोर में थे 3 फ्लोर पे, 3 फ्लोर पे थे और 303 में थी। हाँ, ए विंग में रहते थे वो।
अभी तक जितने भी लोगों को रेस्क्यू किया है उसमें से नहीं थे कोई?
नहीं, कोई नहीं।
आप कितने बजे से यहाँ पे वेट कर रहे हो?
मैं कल शाम से थे, 6-6:30 बजे से हूँ
यहाँ पे वेट कर रहे हो कि उनका निकालें?
जी 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 अभी तो कुछ नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन प्रशासन का काम अच्छा चल रहा है। मेरा आपके मातहत की यही कहना है कि आप जो महाड़ तालुके में जितनी भी बिल्डिंग हो रही है, उन तमाम बिल्डिंग का ऑडिट होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि सब बिल्डिंग है, मुझे तो ऐसा लगने लगा अभी जो सफ़ेद पाउडर लगाते हैं ना, हर बिल्डिंग को पाउडर लगाते हैं और ग्राहक से पैसा वसूल करके इसकी हालत ऐसी होती है। ये 6-7 साल की बिल्डिंग है।
आपका खुद का घर भी तो गया है?
ना, हमारा गया ना, हमारा वैसा गया, मेरा ही नहीं गया, मेरे बच्चा भी अंदर है ना, 3 बच्चे हैं, मेरी फैमिली है सब। ये मुझे सदमा हुआ, लेकिन मेरा यही कहना है, ये जो भ्रष्टाचार लोग रहते हैं नहीं, इस तरह से उनको इजाज़त देते हैं। ऐसा 7 साल
मांग करते हो कि एक इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रॉपर होना
बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़रूरी है।
सिर्फ इसका नहीं, बाकी सब
पूरे महाड़ तालुक में जितनी भी बिल्डिंग है, सब बिल्डिंगों का ऑडिट होना ही ज़रूरी है, ये मेरा कहना है।
आप हौसला बने रखिए। Clearly we see that this person is affected because of the kind of shoddy work that had taken place 6 years back. This building was standing for 6 years and nobody doubted that this one day it will arrive, that entire building will come down, crumbling down, and the people who had trusted the builder, who had their homes inside, they became homeless within few minutes. And this is something which needs to be investigated, and a lot of questions needs to be answered.